Network Entertainment.
Hi girls
And boys, kami ang
Lady Bosses!
Mga sisteralets!
CR tayo. Let's go!
Kasama natin ngayon sa ating CR na mabango. ay, ay other funny women. So we're constantly looking for other funny women in other industries. Lip and cheek tint. Other funny women in other industries. So we have here Abby Asistio,
Yes,
a funny
hello.
woman in the music industry. And of course, Jikan Las, showbiz industry. Hi. So can you say a little bit about yourself?
Oh, well, I'm a singer-songwriter and siguro yung funny side kasi yung personality ko rin medyo makulit. So, as a singer, I also do mga parodies and then we have our show together and our collabs on TikTok. We do Say What. So, we do skits din doon. But other than that, the more serious side naman, I'm also an advocate for alopecia awareness and I host as well din.
Ako, actress host. We've worked together before.
yes.
So,
Meron kayong production house din together, tama
yes,
ba? Okay.
I have a
First.
production house. It's called Muchness Creatives.
Okay.
So, aside from being on cam and mainstream, I enjoy putting out content that kind of centers on comedy, pero anything that evokes emotion. Yan.
Okay. The first time I saw you, yung meron kang ginawang parang, kunyari, newscaster ka about Aldab back then.
Yeah.
Yun yung
Ang
una
tagal
kita
na
nakita.
nun.
Tapos hinanap kita para nga makatrabaho for a campaign for Fitbar.
Yeah. That was my, ang galing nun that was my very first parody on GTV. The first ever. Nung pumutok yung Aldab, sabi ko, like, isuspoof ko sila. And my first concept for GTV was, gusto ko ako lahat ng characters. So, yun siya. So, kaya yun yung maraming
Years
characters.
ago to.
I put up GTV 2016.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then since then, I've partnered with brands, I've partnered with artists and entities na whatever is their angle, we put a spin of comedy to it.
Ganda nga. So you write and then you also act it out.
Yes.
Okay. We had like mga 3 to 4 videos I think for Fitbar back then.
Oo. Naka 1 year tayo na ping-pong tayo ng
nagbabatuhan
branding.
ng mga
Bakit
products.
Fitbar? Ano,
I used to
marketing?
work in a company, corporate, bago ng family business namin.
Okay.
So, Kalbe. Yung pangalan niya. Indonesian company siya. Tapos marketing ako. Interview sa akin to?
So, yung time na nandun ka sa...
Say what?
Oo, the time when you were employed under...
So tell me something about yourself.
Pero sa GTV, sumasama din ako as part of her creative team. Tapos kapag may mga musical element, doon ako
Yan,
nag-jump in
Woods
din.
actually under Calbe. Siya yung nag-write ng musical. Oo. Actually,
Musical. Parang nagda-dialogue sila ni Gian
Benj
Manalo.
Manalo, yeah.
Okay.
Sa kotse. Tapos ginawa akong kanta.
Ikaw nagsulat.
So anything na musical na parang collaboration, siya yung pumapasok. Yeah.
Oo. Guys, siya rin pala gumawa ng jingles sa Banana.
Kasabay sa kasiyahanan sa banana chips.
I love it. Sobrang love
Gano'n
it.
na kayo katagal magkakilala?
We're like 2007.
Kala ko sabi mo 20 years eh. Binababa namin na 18 years.
Parang mga 2 years. Wow!
Mga 18.
18 years.
Tapos saan kayo nagkakilala?
Sa church. Church kami nagkakilala.
Talaga?
Yeah.
Ano kami, part kami ng Talents Inc. Sa Victory kami, tapos merong group na lahat ng mga presentation, pag may conference, yung mga taga-sayaw, taga-kanta, doon kami nag-meet.
Tapos parang siguro dahil yung kalokohan tsaka yung likot ng utak nagja-jive.
Creativity nyo.
Outside of that, parang we were like, let's shoot this. So,
Yeah.
So, mga kabataan, hindi pa po uso ang mga viral
ang
content.
TikTok.
Oo,
Viral
nag-iisip na kami ng
content.
mga dubs, nag-iisip na kami
Start
ng
ng
parodies. Yes. Oo.
And then we were part of a comedy improv group, Bitaw.
Yeah.
Doon din na-develop yung, since comedy yung pinag-uusapan natin, doon na-develop yung aming mga improv skills.
Have you ever considered stand-up?
People actually, I don't know about you, kasi people comment that on my page. Have you considered stand-up? Ganun. Sabi ko, I realize na kung kunwari on a casual talkies.
So, very millennial. Boomer.
Boomer.
I can be entertaining. Pero kung may pressure na yung kunwari, spotlight, patawa,
Game.
hindi ka naman. Wala akong magagawa. Siguro like, look at this!
Magic trick.
Although yung speed talk mo parang stand-up na rin yun eh.
Yeah.
Ish.
Ish. It's a bit. Pero like yung ginagawa ni GB na yung 15 minutes,
Ayan,
gano'n.
sila din. Stand-up
Nagsa-stand up ba kayo? Wow! I would want
But now they're sitting down.
Ay, standing.
Funny ka. Sa camera.
Sabi ko,
Napag-alata yung generation. Okay, you were saying,
Hindi, pero yun
sorry.
nga, kasi konti lang namin. So, naghahata kami. Ito yung purpose nun eh. Networking actually.
I-recruit pala.
I-recruit
No,
ka
I
na.
haven't tried it. Pero people always comment it. Hindi ko alam, am I giving off stand-up energy? Kasi,
No, kasi
kaya
you're
mo.
right. You're right. And then
Yeah.
you're funny. So, parang papunta na rin dun, pwede.
Ang ano ko doon is yung krik-krik eh. Yung parang,
You then stand. You do stand.
Lahat kami. Actually,
kami.
4 kaming host. Wala lang yung isa.
6 nga noong una.
Anim nung una.
Tapos naging 4 na. Tapos
lahat-
naging 3
Lahat
na.
kami nagsa-stand up comedy.
Oo.
Ang hirap
In connection
din
doon, meron kaming show.
Oo,
Oh,
we
sige,
have a
ikaw
show
na.
tomorrow. Hindi na
Ay, bukas na pala yun. Bukas na.
airing ito, malalampasan na.
Oo nga. Kung gusto nyo manood, meron kami tomorrow, parang mostly female stand-up.
Titas.
The titas.
Oo, yan.
Afternoon titas.
Afternoon titas.
In Brickmore.
interesting.
Kasi you do fast talk.
Yeah.
Para siyang rap battle, in a sense.
I mean, it doesn't rhyme, but it's cohesive thinking.
Right.
So people think it's a special skill. I'm starting to think it's just my ADHD on display.
Were you diagnosed?
No,
Ano
but
ba?
parang feeling ko kasi meron akong ganun. Kasi, like, dikit-dikit talaga ako mag-isip. Lalo na if it's like I'm put on the spot. Mas lalo ako nakakapag-isip. Kaysa yung bigyan mo ako ng isang oras. Parang, should I say this? Should I not? Parang mas maigi ata yung, siguro sa stand-up is, ibato mo na lang.
Pero at least, buti link yung iniisip mo sa sinasabi mo. Kasi iba naghahang eh. Ako gano'n, minsan naghahang. Kaya minsan, kunyari, diretso ako magsalita, pero may mga gap. Or parang, or may mga fillers, di ba?
Yeah. So,
Ikaw, buti link.
yeah. Pero si Abby yung naalala mo to, sabi mo, siya actually yung nag-encourage sa akin to put this out.
Okay.
Kasi dun sa improv namin, we were asked to like come up with mga talents.
Special talents. Tinanong siya, ano ba special talent mo? Sabi niya, well, mabilis akong magsalita.
Yeah.
Tapos, ginawa niya dun sa improv group namin. Mahilig din ako mag-produce ng content. So, nagsa-start na mag-YouTube. Sabi ko, bakit di natin post online? Tapos, tignan lang natin yung response ng mga tao. So, we did our very first collab video na.
Wala pa talagang kulang.
Ang word niya, pustiso.
Yeah.
So,
Tapos,
nag-speed talk siya ng pustiso. Tapos,
Anything
ayun.
about postiso?
Yeah,
Ganun.
na-out ko yung dad ko. Sabi ko, nung bata ako, kunin yung postiso, tatapon niya sa akin pag pasaway ako.
Dati sa Facebook pa, kada comment or kada share, nung mga umpisa pala ng Facebook, lumalabas sa feed ng lahat ng tao, diba? So, nung time na yun, nag-viral siya kasi bigla na lang may babae may makikita ka on screen. Yan.
Para siyang spoken word ni Queen Yasmin.
Oo, na mabilis.
Nauna pa siya eh.
Nauna pa siya, technically.
Kasabay namin mga moy-moy palaboy days.
Yeah.
Yun yung nag-start kami mag-YouTube.
Oo nga.
Si Moy Moy is dubbing eh, no?
Ano sila? They would sing along.
Sing along
Ano pa,
dance
Dub
and
Smash.
stuff.
Dub
yun.
Smash.
Oo, they were the it thing for that YouTube.
But tsaka buti, pag kunyari mabilis siya magsalita, hindi nabubulol. Ako, pag mabilis na ako magsalita, nabubulol-bulol na ako.
Tsaka ako, wala na ako gibberish na yung sinasabi ko. Siya, actual words.
Oo.
Yeah.
Diretso
Ang
pa
galing.
rin.
Pasample lang na. Hindi,
Parang,
ginawa niya
ano,
kasi ni Stanley.
Oo. Inano ko ni Stanley, on the spot na naman ako eh. Pawis-pawis na naman ako. Sige, go.
So what are you guys up to now? What else?
Sige, go ahead.
Yung song mo.
Ha? Pero yung sa aming dalawa, so we're part of this family also. Yes! For the pod network. Yes.
TTN, yeah.
For the Say What podcast.
So, yeah, my company produced it. It's Say What Podcast. So, yung sinasabi namin na show sa YouTube was actually called Say What.
Okay.
So, it was Say What kasi na-birth nga siya because of my speed talk. So, kami nakapag-isip na yung Say What? Parang ganon. So, over the years, it was just there. Parang kumbaga, it was just a thing we did na parang nice to have as a recall.
Yeah.
Tapos nung when we started collaborating again last year,
Actually, pandemic eh. Nung
Pandemic,
pandemic,
yeah.
syempre, magkapit-bahay kami, gawa na lang tayong content. TikTok era na eh. So, we would do TikToks together.
Tatlo kayo, may isa pa yung the one who visited from some other country.
Si Julie.
Si Julie.
Yeah.
Oo.
Julie
Sa
yung
latest
kumakanta,
na video?
singer siya din.
Oo, nasama siya dun sa isang
sumasayaw.
nag-viral na video.
Nag-viral din.
Pero
kasama
serious
siya.
singer siya talaga. Nahatak lang namin sa
Kagaguhan.
Anong type of singing niya? Parang country, medyo folk.
medyo alternative soul.
Ayun, yan.
Soul. Tulak ng bibig, kabig ng dibdib. Ayan, siya yung kumanta nun. So, pero siya more on the serious side talaga. When we started doing the TikToks together, hindi naman namin na-expect kasi as titas na rin, parang gusto lang namin mag-enjoy. Tapos, surprisingly,
Nag-viral siya.
Oo, nagustuhan ng mga tao.
Yung biggest namin collectively right now, nasa across all platforms, 39 million.
Meron kaming,
Yeah.
nabanter lang namin na kasi inano na namin yung character na since siya nga yung nagsispeed talk ay medyo maingay. Ako
Ako yung bungangera.
siya yung
Ang bait niya,
bongera.
medyo maingay.
Oo,
Di ba ingay talaga?
Tapos ako yung gano'n, yung parang, paano ko ba aawayin? Gusto ko singilin ng, hindi ko, gusto ko siyang singilin ng utang. Awayin mo! Sabi mo sa kanya! Oo, so, nag-viral yun hanggang sa people would recognize us na from the tandem. And then, she would always suggest din the idea, why not let's start na rin our show talaga. Since medyo nagkakaroon naman ng traction yung videos natin together, nakikita na nila tayo na parati tayo magkasama. Let's do na the show.
Yeah. So, na-birth yung Say What, na na siya, updated version na siya. So,
Mas mature with life learnings.
Oo, kung before parang may gatas pa sa labi. Ngayon may red lipstick sa labi. So, life learnings, pero at the same time, pa din, hindi naman nawala yung essence na, kalug pa rin, ganun. Pero at the same time, yung we want na kung meron ka mapapanood, hindi yung parang, natuyo yung utak ko, wala akong natutunan. Yung gano'n. So, at
May
least
substance.
May substance.
Exactly.
Kalog
Yeah.
with substance. Yun.
Then, tsaka what I appreciate with you guys are really talented. You're not just putting videos out there. Say that! Kasi with social media era, ang dami na yung parang shallow lang, na parang wala namang laman, kabobohan lang, basta sumikat lang. Alam mo yung ganun? Sila,
80-80.
matatalino mga babae na
Oh my
nakakatawa,
gosh,
na may
stop.
substance.
Thank you.
No,
Thank you.
But actually, you know what? Bigla naging seryoso. Kasi matalino daw eh. So, dapat nagmamatch sa demeanor, ang comedy ko. No, my inspiration for GTV na nag-translate with this production is Key and Peele. I'm a big fan. So, their Comedy Must Die channel actually is a big, Saturday Night Live, 30 Rock. I love comedy na parang yung, Oo nga, no? Yung gano'n.
Yung may kailangan mag-isip.
Oo. So, I don't know. Some of the videos are stupid. Yes. Yung meron kami lumabas na video ngayon, pumalo ng 2.5 na siya eh. 2.5M na. Sabi niya, tikman mo yung ice cream na coconut.
Sabi ko lang masarap. Tapos sabi niya, I hate coconut. Tapos parang ko, tikman mo lang masarap. Sabi niya, uy, lasang buko. Parang ko, coconut, buko.
Tapos, yung mga tao, yung mga comment, the restraint, the control na hindi batukan si ate.
Pero nagkaroon ng din na parang, baka ang ibig niya sabihin nyog or nata or kaong parang ang dami na.
Inanalyze
nila.
Analyze nila talaga.
Here's some love advice, ha? Love isn't just about flowers or chocolates. Minsan, it's in the quiet, thoughtful things. Like making sure the home is clean, calm, and ready for rest, not stress. Kasi kung may time mag-away, dapat may time rin maglinis. Or better yet, magpalinis. With Cleanworks, trained professionals take care of the mess so couples can focus on what matters, each other. Message at Cleanworks PH on Instagram or Facebook or call 09662-006910 to book a cleaning today. Because love grows best in clean, quiet spaces.
So, I guess there are stupid content but then nababalance siya with things that are relatable but requires you to think.
also.
So, I guess that yun yung I would like to think is our USP in a way with the stuff we
Unique selling
produce.
point, yeah.
Yeah, and I think one of the things that we also went with then is embracing our duality also as women. Kasi people, like she's a mom. Ako, I also do my advocacy stuff. They see us in our serious mode. But ang gusto rin naming i-share sa mga tao na hindi porket serious ka sa isang bagay, hindi ka
Hindi ka
pwedeng
na pwede.
makulit.
Oo.
Mag-enjoy.
Or
Oo,
hindi porket makulit ka,
ganda.
hindi ka pwedeng maging seryoso.
Ang ganda!
Yeah.
Oo, tama yun.
Kasi yun yung assumption for me yung assumption for me. Pag nakikita ko, yun, nag-guest ako sa Life Over Whiskey naman na podcast. Tapos parang, they were asking me about life lessons and all that. Ang comment sa akin was, grabe no, seryoso ka pala. Sabi ko, actually. Kasi hindi naman ako parating nakakapagod.
Nakakapagod.
I mean,
Wait lang, ngayon na lang at your age or dati pa, ganyan ka na rin? Kasi kami parang we feel yung pagod nga. Pagka kunyari, we have to be a certain type of person or high energy
I
lagi.
have to admit, before, I would feel the pressure to have an on button. Like, even if it's just a casual encounter, merong part sa akin I want to entertain. So, gusto ko yung, di ba?
Gets kayo sa
Tapos yung, or kunwari, kahit hindi nakakatawa, para wala sa mata. Oo, ngayon, parang,
You don't feel the pressure
I
right
don't.
now.
Mas komportable ka na to be your authentic self. Na
Kaya
pag-
sumabay.
Oo.
Parang ganun.
Yeah. And I guess that's what Say What is about. Parang, we just want to be authentic. Whatever the topic we talk about, nababagay. Kung ba, you behave accordingly sa pinag-uusapan. Because you can't joke about something that's related to serious matters. And you can't be serious about things that are lighthearted. So, lulugar
Depende
lang.
Kasi kami, may pressure din. Halimbawa, kunyari, even family gatherings, for example. Tapos may kamag-anak ako, gamitin mo yung sa set mo. Parang, pipilit ng something funny. Tapos, gamitin mo yung sa set mo. Parang, okay. Pero,
Pero may times din na pag, kunwari yun, yung sinabi mo na something serious. Tapos, yung comedian brain namin, parang may jokes na about it. Parang hindi ko pwede sabihin.
hahanap ka ng tiyempo.
Nakakatawa.
Pero in my head, gagamitin kita later. Material.
Kay Abby, may tanong ako sa kanya. Kasi,
Yes,
yung
yes.
Abby, si Abby,
grade school years.
Grade school pa kami
Oo,
nun.
batchmates
sa
kami
Miriam.
sa Miriam.
Diba?
Oo. Hindi ko alam na kumakanta ka nun. Kumakanta ka na ba nun? Nung elementary tayo?
Kumakanta na siguro, pero medyo ko nun eh. Hindi pa ako bibo. Oo,
Introvert ka ba?
Medyo. Introvert ba ako? Hindi, parang hindi naman. Pero
Normal.
hindi. Mas nung high school ako, mas naging
lumabas.
Oo, lumabas. Nag-out ako nung high school. Hindi, mas nung high school yung pag may mga song fest or mga theater, doon ako mas naging active. Pero nung, hindi ko pa masyado na-hone yung talents ko nung elementary. Oo. Siguro kung kakanta-kanta.
ng songwriting. Yung
Actually, grade school pa. Nag-start na rin pala ako kasi unang-una ko grade 2. Kalusugan Week. First parody. Hindi siya parody. Parang ginawa ko ng version yung 100% Pure Love. Ang kalusugan ay kailangan para sa katawan.
Ang galing naman.
grabe ka naman.
Tapos
hindi
yung
ko alam yun.
Pro-milk lang. Tsaka naalala pa niyo. Kumain tayo ng mga prutas at gulay para tayo ay lumakas. 100% protina.
Naalala ko to.
Naalala mo?
Oo,
Tapos,
narinig.
pero may dance number pa yun. So, kumbaga, yung utak ko, na talaga siya sa music, feeling ko.
And even when I first met you, hindi naman first, pero like one of the first few encounters namin, we were in a group, tapos someone introduced her as a singer, tapos sabi nung singer to, ay magalito kumanta, gawa ka ng kanta about love, go! Hindi ko alam kung ba't ko na pressure. Sabi ko naman yan, I forgot, kurari something like, oh, love is around the corner. Ginawa pa rin.
Siguro yung mga time din na yun, yung parang pag ganun din, yung na on the spot ka, sige, gagawin ko.
Parang siya yung nanay mo. Sige, hasok ko. Sige, nandiyan si tita ko. Kumanta ka.
Oo, perform. Parang ganyan.
Look at this stuff.
Pero yun, mahilig na rin talaga before. Kaya nakakatuwa kasi now, other than the content, minsan isa sa mga greatest blessings ko na nagpapasalamat ako. Oh, serious bila, na nagpapasalamat ako. Sabi ko dati nung grade school, high school, ginagawa ko lang to na kunyari project or for fun, for TikToks. Pero
No, you're getting paid for it.
I get
Oo.
paid for it na it's become an actual work.
Yeah.
And it's so nice na yung talents na akala ko
Bigyan ng
dati
Diyos,
for fun. Oo, for fun lang. It's
Pinagkakakitaan mo
correct.
Same
Oo,
with
it was a means
stand-up,
of ano
oo.
pala.
Oo. Yun.
That's our show, ladies and gentlemen.
Thank you so much. No, but I think that's so rewarding. Just to feed on that. Kasi to me, before, parang yun nga, parang tingin ko sa ginagawa ko, kalokohan lang. In a good way. Parang it's like, malikot yung utak ko, so it brings me pleasure pag pasaya ako ng tao. Pero now, to actually make a living off of it, it's so rewarding because it's something I actually love to do. And I don't look at the clock. Kasi doon mo malalaman pag ayaw mo yung trabaho mo.
Oo, binabantayan mo yung oras.
Oo, yung
Parang
parang
nakakatamad na.
Tagal.
Tagal
Oo,
naman.
gusto ko
5
na
minutes
umuwi.
na lang. Ano ba yan? Ganon. Pero this one, kahit mapuyat ka pa, kahit mapagod ka pa, if maganda yung produkto or yung content na nalabas mo, it's so rewarding.
Ang ganda rin yung sinabi mo na parang you look at it as a way to also help other people laugh,
Yeah.
be happy. So,
Yeah.
yung pinaghuhugutan ng ginagawa nyo.
Yeah.
For us also, it's not just about comedy. It's about, aside from like looking for our comedic voice, who we really are, it's making other people happy.
Yeah. And to add to that, other than making them happy, what I realized with what we do, all of us, when you put yourself in that position to just be bold and be courageous.
bold.
Oh, to be bold. And to be Hala. To be
Bold in
Yung
that
parang-
position.
And you use your voice to express yourself.
Yes.
Yung mga ibang tao, nagkakaroon din ng permission na, uy, baka pwede naman. Kasi minsan, kunyari, kahapon, nag-post ako ng video namin na makulit, sumasayaw kami ng budots. Tapos na-realize ko, okay lang kasi masaya eh. Minsan, i-overthink mo na, baka sabihin nila masyado kaming, at our age, gumaganyan pa kayo. Na-enjoy namin eh.
Yeah,
So, nung
yeah,
pinost
yeah.
ko naman, natuwa yung mga tao. And for sure, may part na, kasi pag may nakikita akong gano'n na parang, ang galing naman na hindi sila nahihiya to do that. Na pwede nilang gawin, baka pwede ko rin palang to embrace that particular aspect of myself na feeling ko because I'm a mom na or I'm a tita na, kailangan nasa back back burner, tama ba?
Back burner.
Oo.
Ang tawag, back burner.
Yung matawag.
Parang
O, parang
sinunugin
hindi-
mo sa
side.
Oo, parang
Back of your head.
Na,
Oo, hindi na, hindi na ako.
You
may-
word for
hindi
me,
na
back
yun.
burner. Alright.
back burner.
So, pero it's still a part of your personality eh.
Oo,
So, just
why
because...
would you restrain it, di ba?
Oo, parang just
naman kapag
show.
yung sinusuppress mo yung sarili mo. Tapos parang, lalo na pag comedy, di ba? Pag, kunwari, may gusto ko nang ihirit at this point of time.
Yeah.
Tapos, na-miss mo.
Yeah.
Iisipin mo the whole day. Sayang, dapat
Sayang.
sinabi
Parang
ko
may
to.
Comedy is
mental
timing
constipation.
also eh. Importante ang timing sa comedy. So pagka hindi mo na bato on time, mawawala. Delivery mo, sira na.
Yeah.
Tsaka siguro with our, well, being a mature version of ourselves na, meron na ring part na, yung parang effort, I just wanna
I don't
do it.
care.
I wanna
Exactly.
say it.
Yeah, I don't care.
Oo. Pag may nag-question din na parang, ba't may sinabi parang, 40 na ako? Pwede ko na
Oo nga,
siguro
patawarin
sabihin
na.
ng joke na to. Pwede na siguro mag-green joke ng
Siguro
konti.
naman. Parang, na, tsaka for me, parang, at nakalimutan ko sasabihin ko.
Ay, sabi mo, oo, kasi,
Nawala.
sorry, ang dadal
Ikaw
ko.
muna, you'll buy time habang ako,
Magsi-speed talk ako. Ang sasabihin ni G kanina. Hindi, yun lang naman.
Parang we don't care anymore as much as before. Which is why, I think for comedy, for stand-up women, stand-up comedian, ang daming insecurities minsan ng babae na parang, shocks na kaya, sa harap ako ng mga tao, I'm gonna say my jokes. Kaya ang konti namin, parang wala pang 10% of the total
No
comedians in the
way.
Parang
Philippines.
70 plus na yata tayo, tapos ilan lang
100
tayo.
plus na, 7 lang tayo na active stand-up
Oh, 7.
comedian. Kasama na si Kay doon, 8.
Really? In the industry?
In the industry of stand-up
Wow.
here locally,
Dito sa
Oo,
Philippines.
Yeah.
Sa US medyo marami
But
na rin.
still, alam mo yun, small.
Yun
Kaya
nga, kasi
mag-stand up
daming...
na kayo.
Go G! I support. May dagdag pa pala ako. Ang daldal ko, ayoko na. Kasi natuwa lang ako dun kasi with stand-up, I would see lots of stand-up comedy rin online na ang maganda sa boldness, ito na naman, sa boldness na meron tayo ngayon is sometimes even the more painful or truthful realities of life,
Nagagawa mo.
you're able to use humor. Oo, to acknowledge it, for people to be seen and to shed light on these
No, I
things.
really feel that kasi people think when they look at my page or my content na parang it's always funny. Malamang comedy channel eh. Alam mo, drama channel. But the thing is, it doesn't mean that when you put out comedy that you're all rainbows and sunshine. You convert those things, those experiences into relatable things that people can feel. So even if hindi siya yung iyak mode, pero kung meron ka na relay na relatable, even if at that moment I'm experiencing pain, later pag na-process ko na siya, pwede kong i-share na lighter tone.
Ganyan yan. Pag kunyari may na-frustrate siya over something.
Oo. Hindi kasi dalawa, parang ang dami kong role lately. So parang ano din ako, weaver din ako, yung sa Aruga. Tapos meron din akong comedy. So parang yung page ko magkahiwalayan. Tapos sinasabi nila sa akin na parang, Jeannie, ba't mo ginagamit yung profile mo ng comedy dun sa mga pang speaker mo dun sa Aruga? Eh yun lang meron akong picture eh.
Yeah.
Tapos minsan napapaghalo ko siya na parang
Weaving it
nadadala ko
together.
yung comedy dun sa Aruga. Tapos sabi ko, anong problema? Eh, ako lang din yun.
Yeah, that's your unique
So,
mix eh.
bakit kailangan ko siyang lagyan ng line na dito, I will just talk about cultural and all. Tapos, paano kung may naisip ako nakakatawa? So, hindi na pwede.
Yeah.
May comedy personality will be saying, parang, ba't hindi mo sinasabi yan? Alam mo yun? So, parang, bakit hindi?
Yeah.
Diba?
Like for you, music, na-overlap mo with the comedy part of yourself, di ba?
Oh, nag-mix na siya ngayon. Parang dati, yun din yung...
there was a time.
Oo, may
Ayaw
issue
mo?
ko before. Kasi,
Segregating.
dati akala ko pag serious singer ka, dapat serious singer ka lang eh. So, kaya rin nung nagsisawat kami nung a few years ago, may part na, kunyari meron siyang gustong gawin, medyo nag-aano na ako,
I don't want.
hesitate na ako. Kasi feeling ko, baka if I do so much funny stuff, ma-water down yung...
Typecast ka?
Or ma-water down yung seriousness ng
Hindi siya
ginagawa mo.
seryosohin as a singer.
Oo, as a
kasi may
musician.
ano siya eh.
May vision ka of yourself as a
Yeah.
singer before.
Yeah, parang yung standard na image ko for a singer, hindi naman bigla na lang nagko-comedy yung singer na nakikita ko. Hindi, imagine mo yung music ko dati. Yung nagsisimula, R&B, tapos biglang gumaganyan. So, medyo binabawasan ko. Pero ngayon, actually, kaya rin ang saya maging artist now, for me. Kasi na-acknowledge ko na yung different facets of who I am. Na, kunyari, like, yung Halau, yung latest single ko, kung tutuusin medyo, it's satire eh. Yung mga Halauy, pero yung topic, it's something that, it's a serious matter that people go through. But I'm able to use what I learned from the parodies and just being myself when we do our Say What skits na real talk. Kunyari, may utang ka o magbayad ka. O ito, haliparot ka. Parang na-incorporate ko yung pagiging vocal ko as Abby the person, sa Abby as a musician. They don't have to be separate. They could all complement each other.
And you're being more true to yourself.
Yes,
and
being more
you
true to
stand out because of that.
Oo.
Di ba parang konti lang na ganyan?
It took a while for me to completely own that package. That package. But now, I'm like, here's the package. Take it.
Open the package!
Pay it if you want.
Be bold!
Yeah, be bold. Masaya. So what about you? What about
Naalala ko lang din, while I was watching your videos way back, tapos nakikita ko na yung videos nyo together eh. Meron kayong mga pinopost dati, parang 5 kayo na girls. Sabi ko, oh my gosh, I want that kind of tribe. I want that kind of And this was before I did comedy. And now I have one. And then now you're guest. Parang naging full circle siya for me. So thank you for guesting.
Thank you.
Ha? Tapos na akala ko 4 hours pa yung dapat sasabihin.
Kaya mula sa kaboses yung from fan to friends, wow! Si D.
So mula sa kaboses ninyong from friend naman to fan na ako ngayon, Jeannie Lakay.
Mula sa kaboses nyong, first time silang ma-meet at naging fan ako agad ngayon. Kay Asko, kami ang
Lady Bosses!
Breathe in and out. You deserve peace, and sometimes peace starts with a clean home. With CleanWorks, you don't just get a spotless space, you get mental clarity. Professional cleaners, systematic service, hygienic, safe, and stress-free. Let CleanWorks handle the mess so you can focus on what truly matters. Rest, family, or just your time. Clean space, calm mind. Book now at Cleanworks PH on Instagram or Facebook, or call 0966 200 6910 to schedule your cleaning. Because self-care starts at home.
The opinions of podcast creators, hosts, and guests are not necessarily reflective of the official stance of the Pod Network Entertainment, its hosts, or other network programs. The content created by the people behind the podcast is personal and not meant to harm any religion, ethnicity, group, organization, company, or individual.